everyone, welcome back to Sunny Live Trend. Thank you so much guys for tuning in. I'm back again with Mzansi Soapy Stories guys. Sila Imbewu the seed, and we will be talking about Fikile. Guys, she's been acting very strange the past few days, and abantu abaningi bazibuza ukuthi kwenzekalani kahle kahle nguFikile. The truth is about to be revealed. When Fikile came kuImbewu kwakuyi funeral kaNkulu, she stood up wabonga uNkulu ukuthi she wouldn't be lapha khona namhlanje, or she wouldn't be who she is today if it wasn't for uNkulu. And that statement shocked everyone. Nkulu further asked her about her relationship with Nkulu, and Fikile wakuveza ukuthi uNkulu ube njengobaba kuye. He was paying for her university fees, buying her clothes and food, and aphinde anike umama kaFikile i-voucher yokudla every month. Most people suspected that Fikile was Nkulu's daughter, but Imbewu storyline took an unexpected turn as Fikile ended up dating uNkulu, and lo mqondo ukuthi they were brothers and sister yavele yashabalala kanjalo guys, because now they were dating. Imbewu is now introducing us to Nompi, who is Fikile's mom, ongezwani kahle noFikile, and she is here to tell the truth. The guys, Imbewu October Tears revealed the following. On Friday next week, the 22nd of October 2021, Fikile will meet her mother again after 8 years, and Uma Fikile will tell Nkulu about Fikile's childhood. On Wednesday, the 27th of October 2021, Unompi will tell Nkulu that he is Fikile's brother, and she will demand they end their relationship. So guys, yeah, Fikile is Nkulu's daughter. My biggest question is that how come uNkulu wayekwazi ukuzalisa outside their marriage noMaZulu ekubeni engakwazi ukuzalisa uMaZulu emshadweni wabo? Is that possible guys in real life? That's bring us to the end of this video. Thank you so much for watching. Do leave your comment below and share your opinion.